Hello everyone, welcome to lesson 5 of the Math Tips and Tricks series. In today's lesson, we'll go over a handy multiplication strategy. This strategy can be used when the numbers being multiplied satisfy the following conditions. The last digits of the numbers being multiplied add up to 10 and the remaining digits of both numbers are the same. For example, if you want to multiply 77 and 73, if you look at the last digits of both numbers, they are 7 and 3. 7 plus 3 gives you 10. So the first condition is satisfied. Next, if you look at the remaining digits of both numbers, they are the same, that is 7. So the second condition is also satisfied. When both these conditions are satisfied, we can use a simple strategy to do the multiplication. Now let's work out a few problems. Let's say you want to do 56 times 54. Here we see that the final digits of the numbers being multiplied are 6 and 4, which add up to 10, and the remaining digits of the numbers being multiplied are the same, which is 5 in this case. Now let's see how we can apply a simple strategy to solve these kinds of problems. First, you do 4 times 6, which is 24, and you write it down like this. Next, you take the remaining digit and you multiply it by the number that comes immediately after it. Here we have 5, so we multiply it by 6, which comes immediately after it. So we do 5 times 6, which is 30. And 3024 is your final solution. When you do these types of problems, you need to make sure that the right-hand portion of your answer always consists of 2 digits. Let's say you want to do 77 times 73. Here you see that the last digits of the numbers being multiplied are 7 and 3, which add up to 10, and the remaining digit of both numbers are the same, which is 7 in this case. Now let's go ahead and solve this problem. First, you do 3 times 7, which gives you 21. Next, you take the 7 and you multiply it by the number that comes immediately after it. We know that 8 comes after 7, so you do 7 times 8, which gives you 56. 5621 is your final solution. If you like the content, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. Please use the PDF linked in the description for additional practice. Before we wrap up, let's try a problem that involves the multiplication of 3-digit numbers. Let's say you want to do 109 times 101. Here again, the last digits of the numbers being multiplied are 9 and 1, which add up to 10. And again, the remaining digits of the numbers being multiplied are the same, which is 10 in this case. Now first, we do 1 times 9, which is 9. And then, since we know that this portion of the answer should consist of 2 digits, we add a 0 before it. Next, we take the remaining digits, which is 1 and 0, which make it 10, and we multiply it by the number that comes immediately after it. We know that 11 comes after 10, so we do 10 times 11, which gives you 110. So 11009 is your final answer. In lesson 6, we'll go over a few strategies to simplify subtraction. I look forward to meeting you in lesson 6. Thanks for watching.